Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the fast, secure, and web browser, which is the Google Chrome on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to open the default web browser of our Windows, which is the Microsoft Edge. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. Now click on Microsoft Edge under the best match, maximize it. In the search bar, simply type Chrome, download, hit enter, and you'll find the first option from www.google.com, which is the official website. Click on that. So Google Chrome, it is a fast and secure web browser. Now you'll find this download Chrome button. This is also for both the Windows 10 and Windows 11. Click on that. And the setup file will be downloaded. So let's just wait in a while. Now once done, click on the setup file and close the Edge browser. And let's just wait for Chrome to be installed into our Windows in a while. And now Google Chrome is installed into our Windows. So click on sign in. And let me just quickly sign in with my email. So you can simply sign in with your email from here. Click on next. And let me just enter my password. Click on no thanks, and then click on got it. And here you can now enjoy browsing into the Google Chrome browser you have just downloaded and installed it into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.